Hi, we're here today to talk about the new TUBB Bipod. When we designed the new TUBB gun, we also designed a new bipod. This bipod, for examples here, is like no other. Most bipods work on symmetry, legs down, legs forward, and they are not nearly as robust. They don't have the ability to do this. They have about this much movement, so you're always going, let me make the leg a little longer so I can level it up. This bipod also will rotate 360 degrees, so it gives you a lot of flexibility. And the way that happens is we use non-symmetrical setup on our legs. And so as we go through this, I'm going to say, okay, I can kick one of these legs at a 45 to the front or the rear or at a 0 degree. So I'm going to try to fill in the voids. Start with this one, symmetrical bipod. Obviously the legs on any of these will extend 3 more inches out if you want it to. Right? But we're going to talk about it with it in. This bipod is 9 inches tall and has 11 inches of width. If I bend one leg in to a 45, such as this one, this bipod is now 8.5 inches tall and 12 inches wide. If I bend both the legs at 45s, then this bipod is 7.5 inches tall and 14 inches wide. It's getting wider. Most normal bipods, the widest they are is when their feet are straight down. And if we go to our last example, we have a bipod with a 45 degree angle and a 0 degree angle, and of course you can still see it works very well as far as the ability to tilt it back and forth to get the level. It happens to be 5 inches tall and 15 inches wide. This bipod, the concept is it's very easy to change from position to position. Push that, push it back in, it's spring loaded, and you can move it fore and aft on the rifle, or you can take it off and carry it with you. This bipod weighs 24 ounces, and it is extremely robust. It is very weatherproof. It's been melanited, where we use stainless parts where we need to, and aluminum parts, of course. All in all, this bipod is available from TUBB.com. Look for it. It's a new product, and it is a very, very useful product for someone looking for a bipod that gives you all the adjustment room that you desire. But if they try to use, the problem is if they try to use the legs in a totally non-symmetrical fashion, both the legs are at 45, their problem is they only move about this much at most, okay? Whereas this bipod will move this much, okay? And that is quite, and of course, the other thing I didn't mention is there are tensioning screws on here. There's 2 tensioning screws. So you can tension how easy this moves this direction, and you can tension it how easily it moves this direction to your desired shooting position, you know? And you can see this one's out of the brand new one out of the box, and it turns pretty easy. You come over to this one, and this one, it doesn't turn so easy, right? Because I have a tension like the way I like to shoot it. So, the rubber feet are replaceable. You can get claw feet, but the fact that you use these bipod legs in non-symmetrical positions really negates the use of claw feet, steel claw feet. You're much better off to use the rubber foot in all applications. So, look for it at DavidTUBB.com. Fantastic product.
Well, that bipod's better because it allows you to adjust the height of it very quickly. It allows you a great degree of arc, so you can level your gun, and you can pick various heights simply by adjusting the legs to different angles, as opposed to letting one leg out a little bit more and the other one in. And it's a ruggedized bipod. It'll work with a 50 caliber. While most of these others, they want to sell you an upgraded, bigger bipod to work with your bigger gun. This one at 24 ounces, okay, it's about 8 ounces heavier than the lighter bipod on the market, but guess what? It'll crush it compared to the other one, because this one is a stout son of a gun.
The new TUBB Bipod is available now. To learn more or to order your own, visit www.davidtubb.com.